Hey guys, we're back again with another video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how you can quickly and easily get rid of that multiple copies of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 in Microsoft MSCONFIG tab. Okay, so let's start by making a right click on our Windows icon and then clicking on the Run option. Here a little window will come right up. So here we need to type msconfig. Then click on OK, and another window will come right up. So here we have 5 tabs: the general, the boot, services, startup, and tools. So we need to click on boot tab. And here under boot tab, I have only one operating system because I have done a clean installation. And now when you upgrade from any version and you don't make a clean installation, what happens is the previous versions or the previous copies of Windows or multiple copies will appear here. And each time you're trying to turn on your computer or PC, you'll get options to select, so which can be very annoying on your part. And to avoid such problems, all you need to do is, for example, select the window or select the version that you don't use, and then you can delete it by clicking this delete button. After doing so, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. So it's very easy. Just follow such step so that by next time when you're opening your computer, you will not encounter the same situation or the same problem again. So if this video tutorial has worked for you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that will be all. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.